guys, welcome back. It's Liv here. Just thought I would do a hair care, skin care, shower routine video. I apologize about the lighting. I can't find my ring light anywhere, so I think I lost it, and that's pretty sad. But it's fine. We'll find it eventually, or I'll get a new one. So it is wash day, as you can tell. I usually like to go between 3 and 4 days without washing my hair. I obviously shower the rest of me in there because I don't want to smell bad. But I will use dry shampoo and style my hair different ways so that you can't really tell that I'm greasy. So today we've got a lot of dry shampoo in there and you can kind of tell I'm getting gross. So I'm going to go wash. And my current favorite shampoo is the Mitchel Super Skinny. So I do one wash with this, and then I use the Milkshake Silver Shine shampoo. So this is the best purple shampoo out there if you are a blonde and don't want to be a yellow. I highly recommend this stuff. It will seriously take you from brass to ash, like that. Then I've actually been using the Nicole Guerriero OGX conditioner. This is the Mistletoe Wishes one. I love the smell of this, and I wish I would have bought like 6 when they were out, but sadly I only got 2, and this is my last one. But I've been using this sparingly. And then for body wash, I've been using the Love Beauty and Planet the rose one. Yeah, I'm not gonna try and pronounce that, but that one in the rose. This stuff is great. It was really thick when I first got it, so I actually watered it down, and I like it better like that. So I'll do those steps, and while my conditioner is sitting in my hair, I use the Body Shop's Tea Tree Line soaps. So today my skin is extra flaky, so I'll be using the scrub, and on days where it's not, I'll use just their regular cleanser. This stuff is super awesome. I used to have really bad acne, so I would use their tea tree scrub and more tea tree in my lotion whenever I'm out of the shower. And obviously I've got it pretty much under control now, but I'll still jab a bit of straight tea tree oil on any breakouts when I get them really bad. But I find that the washes are enough to keep it at bay. So I'm going to get in the shower and wash my hair and my body, and then I'm going to put in the Mitchel hair repair treatment, and I'm going to let this sit for, well, it says 3 to 5 minutes, but it's probably going to stay in for a couple hours, I'll be honest with you. I usually like to shower, put this in, maybe put a face mask on, and then go do things. So I'm gonna go shower and put this in, and then I'll be back to show you guys my skincare. Okay, so fresh out of the shower. Take my towel off, and I'm gonna comb through my hair a bit. So one thing that I mentioned is that I wash my hair twice. I use 2 different shampoos. And I know a lot of people don't really read the instructions on their shampoo, but if you look there, most shampoos say lather, rinse, repeat. And I don't think anybody reads that enough. Washing your hair twice will make it feel so much cleaner. And if you are someone like me that tries to stretch their hair through several days without washing, washing it twice will get you so much further and help train your hair to actually stay clean and not as greasy longer. What the first wash does is take out any outside pollutants, like things that were in the air, you know, anything your head might have rubbed up against, dirt that came from outside of your scalp. And then the second wash is going to really clean out your scalp and get out the oils that are built up from your own body. So washing your hair twice is something I highly recommend. Alright, so I just combed out all the tangles, and I'm about to put in my Mitchel hair repair treatment. So I've just got about that much on my hand. This is going to be like
half of what I use. So my hair is still pretty damp, and I'm rubbing this through just like half of my hair. And I will comb this through once I get it through my whole head. This stuff is great. It is a keratin or protein treatment. So for those of you who don't know, there are two types of treatments that you can, oh, there's more than two, but the two main types of treatments you can do for your hair are protein and moisture. So you actually want to be really careful with protein treatments. If you put too much protein into the hair or too much keratin, it will actually snap off. So definitely ask a hairdresser if you think, if your hair needs a treatment, ask a professional whether it needs a treatment of moisture or a treatment of keratin. You can't do too much moisture in the hair. That'll just not soak in, but too much keratin, like I said, will break the hair off, which you wouldn't think because it's a good thing, but too much of a good thing can be a bad thing. So this is just going to go up in a bun that is going to look pretty gross for a while. Like I said, this will get left for a couple hours probably. So we're just going to move on to skincare now. So my first step is the Quanesssence Sage Peel Gel, which, as much as the title suggests, this is not a peel. It's actually a chemical peel, so it's a chemical exfoliator. So this stuff is really nice to just exfoliate the skin and get any crap out. I have really, really oily skin, so the tea tree is one thing that can help with that. And then this is another great thing. Their products are actually all made here on PEI. They have a plant in Summerside. I know there are places that you can go and get your skin matched with their products. I believe Faces here in Charlottetown does that. And I'm not sure where else. But they have great stuff. So I'm just going to use my Erase Your Face towel to get that off. There's my face from earlier. These are amazing at just taking off your makeup. If you're just like on the way to bed and don't want to like fully wash your face, but obviously you don't want to go to bed with makeup on. These things will just take everything off. So another thing about that peel gel that I love is it actually preps your face for any serums or things like that. So next up is my serum, is the Tea Tree Anti-Imperfection Night Mask. So this says it's a night mask, but I use it as more of a serum. It's a concentrated tea tree thing. So I just put it in my problem areas, which is right here on my chin. I've got a few breakouts here. And then I put this all over my forehead because that used to be my worst area. And then just rub the rest over my whole face. Next up is moisturizer. So I like the St. Ives Renewing Collagen and Elastin Moisturizer. So I just use about that much and that goes on my whole face. So I know I said I have oily skin, but if I don't moisturize after I wash my face, it like dries and shrinks right up and my skin gets so tight. But with this moisturizer, I find it doesn't do that at all. So that is it for now. I'll be back to show you guys the products that I put in my hair for styling, and most of the styling I do is I air dry my hair overnight, or I will let it dry most of the way overnight in a ponytail or a bun, and then blow dry the rest of it in the morning. So I will update you guys whenever I rinse this out and show you what I do and what I put in next. Hey guys, we're just doing some meal prep here. We've got salads ready. Jacob's bringing an apple and a banana and some carrots and a Nutri-Grain bar. I'm just having a salad. Got chicken on and bacon.
So I've just got some garlic in with the chicken. And then the bacon has maple flavoring in it already. Just a pretty basic meal for tomorrow. Jacob got a new job, so he starts that tomorrow. I still have that hair mask in my hair. Look at this guy begging. You begging so hard. He's like, oh, you got food? No? No food? Okay. He's like, don't touch me, but please give me food. I know there's food up there, but it's not kitty food. Mouth-wateringly delicious looking Caesar salad prepped up for tomorrow.
Morning, guys. Just back from the gym and rinsed out that hair mask. Finger detangled in the shower. Now I'm just going to add my products. So the first thing I put in is the It's a 10 Miracle Oil plus Keratin, and I do about 2.5 pumps of this. And then scrunch that in to the bottoms of my hair and then run it through the roots. I actually ended up having to run Jacob to work this morning. He had to be there earlier than the bus could get him there. So we're running a little bit late, but that's all right. I'm just gonna go throw on a little bit of makeup after this and then head right to work. So after I get that in, I'm gonna add some of the Power Dry Me. This stuff is awesome. It's a blow dry aid. If your hands are oily at all, you cannot spray it. Just helps your hair dry faster. It also works as a detangler as well. So I'm just gonna brush both of those products through, and I'm probably just gonna leave my hair to air dry today. And there we go. So now, as you can tell, it's pretty straight. All I do is flip my head upside down and scrunch it a bit, and that will add a bit of my natural wave back into it. And there we go. And then we're going to part this sort of just off the center. There. And there we go. That's how I do my hair.